ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆ ಸರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
Parents in Giriyal village, Hubballi taluk staged a protest at the Dharwad District Collector's office, claiming their children from the SC Sillikyaata community were expelled from school due to not being issued caste certificates. There is ongoing confusion between the Sillikyaata and Killikyaata communities, leading to the denial of caste and income certificates for Sillikyaata children. As a result, these children are being denied admissions to both government and private schools in Giriyal and are being deprived of various entitlements according to the parents. The protesting parents, along with their children, sat at the district collector's office until Minister Santosh Lad arrived to hear their grievances. They alleged that due to a few individuals fraudulently obtaining caste certificates, the Hubballi Tahsildar is now refusing to issue these documents to any member of the Sillikyaata community. Minister Lad gathered comprehensive information from the Tahsildar and directed the grade officer to visit the location. During the protest, one demonstrator demanded the issuance of caste certificates, blaming the Tahsildar for the issue and threw documents in frustration. The situation remains tense as parents continue to demand justice and the issuance of the necessary certificates to ensure their children can access education and related benefits. Reportage by Kalmesh Mandiala.